Where have you noticed the thinning?
Up here, and then I was looking at this part, but she was saying that might has to be like grafting or something.
Potentially, you might be able to thicken it up a little bit, but eventually if you wanted to add more density by bringing in new hairs, then we take hair from here and move it to here.
Oh, okay.
But if you want to just thicken the existing hair that you have a little bit, that's where the PRF can help a lot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but mostly here, yeah.
Okay, got it. And when did you first start noticing this?
About like 6-7 months ago.
Okay. You had blood drawn before?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to draw some blood, spin that down, isolate the portions of the platelets, and the platelets is what stimulates the wound healing. That's what we're going to be re-injecting into those different
Oh,
spots
okay.
there.
So like when they take white blood cells.
Yeah. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready. Appreciate it.
Good to meet you.
Thank you.
Just tell me if this is tolerable.
Yeah.
PRF is a great option for hair loss. It's not necessarily something that will add brand new hairs, but it'll help your existing hairs to grow more robustly. So either thickening the shafts of the hair to provide the illusion of greater density, or possibly to awaken some of the sleeping hair follicles that you have, and so that there's more hair in the growth phase of the hair cycle. Success is pretty good overall. I would say that it does depend on probably two factors. One is the quality of the platelets, which is really the quality of your own cells. And the other component is where you are grafting into. So if you already have a really strong receding hairline and you are using PRF to try to reawaken some of those, it may be hard to fight the genetic history that you've already experienced, but it may help to slow things down and possibly show some early signs of reversal in the areas that you're injecting. Typically, we do a series of 3 spaced about a month apart. The goal for PRF is to really boost the amount of blood supply to the area to create a more richer environment for those hair follicles and hairs to grow. After that series of 3, we recommend doing things on a quarterly basis or so to try to continue to maintain the viability and the rich environment of the scalp. Nothing is permanent when it comes to hair loss. This is something that your genetic predisposition coupled with just the aging process will eventually dominate the hair loss journey. But the PRF, what that can do is really help to slow things down and mitigate the rate at which you might be losing hair. Nice to meet you. Any questions at all?
No, I think that should be good. Yeah.
You might have a little bit of tenderness through here. You can always take things like Tylenol. That just help take the edge off things if you need something.
Okay.
Tomorrow you can start taking Motrin, Advil, and stuff like that if you want as well.
Okay.
And then definitely later tonight, if you want to wash before you go to sleep, you can, or tomorrow morning.
Okay, yeah, I'll probably do it tonight just to get it. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
You take care.